In the world of HR, one of many basic activities is to verify the compatibility of an applicant to the job he refers to. That's why we'll need a strong tool to help us find an applicant that matches the job requirements or requirements that we gave as quickly and loyal as we can. For this purpose, we have invented the Hunter. Now let's learn how to use this Hunter and launch our first personal Hunter. So the first thing we'll need to do is to head to the main page. We'll press on the Applicant tab as shown in the picture. Now we'll go to the Applicant Hunter sub-menu item. Now in the second we'll press on that ability, we will see that a new layer tab has been created. This is our current work environment. After pressing on the new Hunter ability, we can now see that the Hunter tab has been created. Now in this screen, we can see the Hunter buttons, like Save Hunter. After we'll do the Hunter, we can save him for the next searches, and delete the Hunter if we don't want to have this Hunter again. Also, we can see two view options. The first view option is Applicant Hunter. The second one is Applicant Hunter Results. After we'll fill in the Applicant Hunter requirements, we will press on the search button, and then we will move automatically into the Applicant Hunter Results view and see the results. We can always switch between these two views whenever we want. And now we can move into the applicant search fields. But before we explain this area, we will need to choose if we were going to single field on all of the CV. Rather, it's an experience or education or any other field. In other words, if we will check the entire CV button, then the keywords we will write will be searched on all of the CV without caring to if they exist on one of the criteria mentioned before. Another important thing we have to understand before we explain how to do it, as we can see, the search field is built from three main parts. The drop-down list. Here we will have the ability to choose from variety of search types, like match one or more, match all, optional, and exclude. The text field himself. Here we can write the text we would like him to find. And the add button. This is the button we will press to add another field if we find it necessary. If we don't want to add another field, we will press on the red X. Now, for the example, I will choose to search on the entire CV the words SQL and Java, which means I want to find in any CV, on the entire CV, at least one word from the two words I've just written, SQL or Java, which say that the applicant I want to find must at least have the word SQL or Java in his entire CV. Let's click on the search and see how it responds. After I click on the search, as we said before, we will move automatically into the Applicant Hunter result. Then we will have the result themselves. Here are the applicants found match for the requirements words I've just written. And as we mentioned before, we can move along between the two screens without any problem. Here I can see what I did, what I wanted to find. And here I will see the results. I can always go here and fix anything I would like to. Now let's look at the results view and see that we have the name of the applicant first. Then we have a short section of the CV itself. Then we have personal details and the last update of this applicant in our database. Now, if we'll click on the name, we will move directly into the applicant card. Then we will see the word we've just searched marked for us in a yellow-red colors. For this example, we can see that the words are mentioned in any part of the entire CV. If we don't want to press on the name and go directly to the card, we can move faster by clicking on this page icon and see the results again. Now, the hunter I've just built can work differently. If I'll choose to search only in the experience, in that case, the hunter will have to find one of the two words I've just written, SQL or Java, at least one of them, but only in the experience part of the CV. Notes, education, and other details are not mentioned here. Let's click on the search and see the result. Now, the applicants are only those who have SQL or Java, or them both, only in the experience part. We can see no education words, no words in the notes, only in the experience. After I have completed the search and I'm satisfied from the result, I can save the hunter by giving it a name. The hunter name I will give will be SQL and Java. Related job means that I have to refer this hunter to any of the jobs I've created. For our example, we will choose the account manager job. Then I can choose if I want it as an automatic hunter or a manual hunter. If I'll choose the automatic hunter, this hunter will work every 15 minutes by itself, and if you'll find new candidates for the job, it will let us know. If I won't choose an automatic, this hunter will wait for my manual search. Let's click on the save, and here we go, we built our new hunter. Thank you for watching.